Hello, today we've come to Godmanchester.
Yes, we weren't able to find a town trail for this one, but it looks a pretty little town, so we'll have a look around and see what we can find. Godmanchester is a picturesque town on the south bank of the River Great Ouse and has a rich history as a Roman settlement of Durovigutum, featuring continuous occupation for over 2,000 years.
Godmanchester was given its town charter by King John in 1212, and 800 years later, on the 13th of September 2012, the town sign we see today was unveiled by the Duke of Gloucester. The sign depicts the rebellion led by Queen Boudica against the Romans, which took place around 60 AD.
The town is known for its famous Chinese Bridge and its well-preserved Tudor architecture. The Chinese Bridge was built in 1827, but the bridge we see today is an exact replacement installed in 2010. The bridge's name comes from the Chinese Chippendale style of the timber arch and handrails.
Godmanchester has an exceptional number of listed buildings. Huntingdon Bridge and the Parish Church of St Mary are both Grade 1 listed, whilst over 120 of those listed are Grade 2. Many of which are fine timbered framed buildings, dating from the 16th century and earlier.
The town is home to the Porch Museum, which houses artefacts and family history, offering more insight into Godmanchester's past. It has a large number of Roman and Iron Age artefacts and a fascinating collection of old photographs. Unfortunately, the museum only opens on a few days throughout the year, so if you wish to visit, it is worth checking the website first.
Huntingdon Bridge is by far the oldest bridge in Godmanchester, also known as the Old Bridge, a picturesque medieval bridge which links Godmanchester with Huntingdon on the north bank of the Great Ouse. The bridge has a distinct kink, a result of the fact that the northern half was built by the residents of Huntingdon and the southern half by those of Godmanchester. When they met in the middle, they found that the two halves did not align properly.
Godmanchester is surrounded by beautiful meadows that act as an important wildlife habitat. To the east and west are East Side and West Side Commons, areas of common grazing land, while to the north is Godmanchester Nature Reserve, a 59-acre reserve maintained by local wildlife trusts.